We fight to remove all foreign power from our soil.
We are Al-Qatala.
We are the killers. We fight without sorrow. We wage war without sympathy. This is the only way to live and die a true soldier.
Echo 3-1 to Charlie 2 actual.
Go for actual.
LZ is in sight.
Looks like our boys are right on time, Colonel.
Roger 3-1. Hitman teams are locked and loaded for assault. You are green to go.
Colonel, we may have a problem.
Too late, Laswell. We're live.
Not until I say so. Watcher to 3-1, how copy?
Station Chief Laswell, send traffic.
General Barkov has sent a new shipment of chlorine gas to his depot. But his mercs are prepping to move the chems into Urzikstan via convoy tonight. You're still clear to engage, but live fire on Russian military is prohibited. We cannot have an international incident.
No guarantees Russian army won't respond on this, Kate.
Understood, Alex. Just locate the gas, commandeer Barkov's trucks, and get off the X before the tide turns.
Copy, Watcher. We'll handle it. Let's move.
All Hitman teams push to your 7-1.
Roger, on the move.
We need to keep this on a tight loop. Barkov's men are moving the gas tonight.
Hey, what are the odds we run into General Barkov?
Russian general wouldn't be caught dead out here. Psst, heads up.
Hearing two.
Looking for us. 2 mercs, no uniforms.
Что-то слышу. Сейчас. Эй, кто здесь? Выйди, покажись!
Okay, drop them.
We're clear. Copy. Post up on the ridge and let's get the lay of the land. Echo 3-1 to Blue Viking 5. Call for fire. Stand by for target confirmation.
Copy, 3-1. Viking is standing by.
Let's recce the area and make sure there's no Russian army down there. People coming in the main gate.
Movement in the rail yard.
That's how the gas comes in.
Medium transport truck.
Transport for the gas. Vehicles on the move.
Patrol vehicle. Contractors.
Security. Good targets. No Russian military presence. Call it in, CIA. Echo 3-1, call in that airstrike.
Blue Viking 5, this is Echo 3-1. Troops in the open, south gate. You are cleared hot.
Roger, 3-1. Target acquired. Weapons free in 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Echo 3-1. Good effect on target. Viking is RTB. Good hunting.
Much obliged, Viking. We'll take it from here.
Cut that light off, 3-1. Heads up. Multiple guns on foot. Hold off. Let him approach.
Найдите их и убейте, иначе генерал убьет нас.
Clear. Force up.
CIA's quick on that drop.
Looks like someone was playing with fire. Serves them right, hawking this chemical shit. Put them out of their misery. Finish them off.
Don't worry, on me. Bradley, hit base.
Element of surprise is not on our side, boys. Stay frosty. Stay sharp. We're blind on this breach.
Got an empty nest on that second deck!
He's dug in! Lay suppression to get up there! Use the door frame to mount your gun and stay in cover, Echo!
Force out. We need to secure the gas before they move.
Get moving! Roger that! Check southwest, they're moving! Southwest, they're moving! Southwest, they're moving! Go target! Move now! Southwest! Got a visual! Got a target! Alright, dog! Flank up on him! I see one 30 meters out! Redeploy! Cover that ground! Got a target! Got an enemy southwest! Grenade! Got a visual! Listen, Tom, get up there! He's in the open! Got a visual! Hey, cover me! Gunners, hold that second down! Get up there and shut him down! Got a visual! I got one by the crate! Got a visual! Hey, cover me! Run! Get up there! Back up! I'm giving you a... Hey, southwest, they're moving! Copy the building! Get moving! Hey, watch your fire! Move up! Roger that! Target in the window!
MG, down!
Nicely done, CIA!
Got an enemy south!
Gas must be inside.
Unless we're too late. Clear! Clear! Clear!
Chems may be inside. Masks up.
Let's do this. What?
They killed the power.
Go white light. On me.
It's pitch black in here. You hear that? Whoever killed the powers in here, I'm telling you, could have been the airstrike.
No, they're here.
Shit, you see that?
Find him.
He's down!
Got him.
Movement on the catwalk! Got one moving for the sheriff!
All clear. Let's get the power up. Shed some light, find this gas.
Roger, 3-1.
Looking.
On it. Checking for power.
Find the power, locate the gas, and let's hit the road.
Lights coming on.
Power's up.
Hey!
We got a problem. These guys are Russian army.
Spetsnaz.
3-1 to Watcher. Barkov's hired guns or Spetsnaz. We got Russian army KIA. We need to bug out now.
Negative. Command wants mission accomplished on this. Not our choice.
Verify this is what we came for. We'll set the trucks for egress.
Jackpot. EID in the gas.
Solid copy, 3-1. Load up and get back to base.
Roger that. Let's move out.
Make 3-1. Take shotgun.
All stations, we are Oscar Mike to the RV. Watch your sectors.
Good work, Alex. Rally is the hook point for egress.
Back up, back up!
Watcher to 3-1, how copy? Alex, over.
I got you, 3-1. Shit. Who the fuck is this?
CD, Amsterdam. Mando Rossi. Marines. Amitab. Lazim nitarak. Paran. Tarak ko. Dala! Dala! Dala!
Echo 3-1 to Watcher.
Alex, what happened?
Terrorist attack. Multiple Marines KIA. Gas stolen. We need evac now.
Roger. Tracking multiple Russian forces headed your way. Sit tight. We're pushing to you for fast exfil. Watcher out.
This operation is now compartmentalized.
What the hell does that mean?
Means you no longer have clearance, Colonel.
Those are my Marines. We need a QRF in there right now.
That's not advisable.
And that is not your call.
Colonel, Laswell.
General, my men...
Norris, give us a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
We've got a situation. The Kremlin has suspended all deconfliction channels. The Sixth Fleet is pushing into the Black Sea, and chemical weapons are now in the wild. Your fingerprints are all over this, Laswell. Fix it.
General, right now intelligence is our best weapon.
We've tried intelligence. Get me a better weapon.
John,
Laswell,
where are you?
occupied.
I've got a problem.
Russians?
Word travels fast. Chemical weapons have fallen into terrorist hands. They could be anywhere. Paris, New York.
London.
When can you brief?
We just did.
Sergeant Garrick, roger up.
Go for Garrick.
Terror threat level is now critical. Possible multiple attackers. Bombers or something worse.
Do we have snipers in position?
Negative, Sergeant. Can't unduly alarm the public.
Terrorists know that too, sir.
Garrick, don't turn London into a war zone, clear?
Yeah, Crystal. Out.
Looks like we're on our own, lads.
We'll handle it. Let's get it done, yeah?
A firm.
Sergeant? Heads up. White van.
Weapons in view.
That's them. Saber to Raven. White van, multiple military-age males. Weapons visible. Moving to intercept.
Roger. Unless an attack is imminent, do not engage.
White van, left side. Go, go!
Go! Don't fucking move!
Police, freeze! Get your hands up now!
Get down on the ground! Right now! I'm not gonna tell you again!
Brooks gone, they fucking got him!
Saber 2, what the hell is going on down there?
There's been a detonation at Piccadilly Circus. Shots fired, officers down. We need medical down here now.
They get to our home.
They're not done yet. Let's move.
Let's engage fire!
Saber 2, bookshop.
All units! Civilians are exiting the bus by the fountain! We need to provide support! There are 4 civilians trapped near the red bus! I have no weapons! I need assistance now! Sergeant! Those civilians in the bus need our help! Brooks! There's a hostile near the red bus! Targeting civilians! Shit! All suspects intercepted the civilians! Brooks! 4 civilians down! Just fucking executing them! Shit! He killed the civilians! All units!
Saber 2, where's the bloody army?
2-6, Army assault team has been no need to stay in the town.
Let's move.
Sergeant Garrick! We're taking fire down here! Automatic weapons! Now! Alpha Whiskey, all over!
They're holed up in the Tanto building.
Existing RV, stay firm. I'd like an additional RV set up north of Oxford Circle. Trojan 9-9. We have 1 unit in each other. Secondary detonation! Secondary detonation in the cabin! Copy, Sergeant. Suspects are retreating into the Tanto building to the northwest. We need all units covering the Tanto building, now! Alpha Whiskey 2 from Secondary detonation! Secondary detonation in the cabin! Okay, bomb them! Right,
Raven, Saber 2, officers down outside the Tanto building. Officers down.
Bloody hell! What is the status on the hostages?
I have to get in the building. Stand by.
Take control from Alpha Whiskey 1609. Myself and 2936 are on Point Shaftesbury Avenue. It's dead. Take control. 20 seconds. Stand by.
Move!
I see you. You armed up?
Yes, sir.
Captain Price.
Sergeant Garrick.
You with me? Check those corners.
Help us!
Hostages, up top.
We need help up here! Someone! Someone, please!
Get it off me! Please, get it off me!
Sergeant, I need you over here.
Help me! Help me, I'm not one of them!
All stations, we have a man with a bomb strapped to him. Keep
Don't want to tell me. I want to go.
Look, open!
I want to see my family. I want to see
Can you help him?
I'm trying.
Let me see my girl!
It's going off.
I can't get it.
No time!
Help me! Help me! Wait! What are you doing? No! No!
All stations. Bomb is clear. Prep medical, we're coming up. Okay, everybody stay calm. We're gonna get you out of here. You broken?
I'm good.
Let's go. You saved lives today, Sergeant.
It shouldn't have happened in the first place, sir. They sent us in half-assed. So everyone could just keep pretending we're not at war.
Yeah, like the fucking century, that is.
Why have we got our hands tied? Let's just take the bloody gloves off and fight. Sir.
Go on.
We don't stand a chance in hell with these rules of engagement, Captain. They can tell us where, they can tell us when. Don't tell us how. My men were tracking that cell for weeks.
You had actual intel on this?
Quite a bit, sir.
Okay, Garrett. You're with me.
Al-Qatala's claiming responsibility.
On orders from the Wolf in Urzikstan.
Alex is on the ground there looking for the stolen chems.
Well, he'll need the Liberation Force on his side, so have him contact the CR.
You know Commander Karim?
We're acquainted. Use my name, or they'll kill him.
What is your message from Captain Price?
Commander Karim. Call me Alex.
I'm listening, Alex.
This is classified.
يلا ولد دامي جهزوا لي هالكم.
48 hours ago, terrorists stole a shipment of Russian gas.
Only Al-Qatala would do this.
The Russians make no distinction between Al-Qatala and your people.
And I make no distinction between Al-Qatala and the Russian army. They're both terrorists. We would never use these poisons.
Then help us track it before they...
Before they what? Take it to Europe? Or America? We live like this every day.
Commander, it's time to go. Who is this?
Alex, this is my brother and Lieutenant, Hadir.
You are CIA?
He works with Captain Price.
Then you kill Russians, yes?
I have friends who can help us. But your sister decides what's next.
Of course. My sister is in command. And the Russian army is still here.
This occupation must end. That we can all agree on, yes? General Barkov's men control the city. We have plans to change that.
We have no missiles, but we have our ways.
If you stay, we can help you. But if you stay, you fight.
Yelanato.
Marhaba Ali Urzikstan, Alex.
Follow me. These tunnels are our lifeline. We have intel Russian troop commanders are in town today. We're going to ambush them.
How?
Explosives.
That'll get their attention.
And pull security away from the Russian base, leaving it open to an attack.
We must hold nothing back.
Too far on that path, and we lose ourselves. Get set for the airbase attack.
Be safe. Alex, take these charges. C4 with remote detonator.
Thanks.
Watch my sister. Good luck.
You too.
عليك طارق.
بسرعة. يلا. أمريكي؟
زلمة كفو. Here, Alex. Put this on.
How do I look?
It'll do. Tarek, what's the report?
Russians are just outside. If they see your weapons, they will shoot.
That happens. Our plan fails before it starts. Alex, our guns give us away. Keep it hidden. Follow me.
За тебя и ты сегодня не будет! Говори!
Barkov's forces occupy the entire city. They separate our men and women. The day will be very strict. Their officers are coming.
Keep moving!
Did Barkov show up?
Almost never. He hides while others do his dirty work.
What kind of dirty work?
Punishment.
Men
For
on the
fighting
work
back.
line! Women to the trucks!
This is where we split up. You'll need to comply to blend in.
Get back to work!
Get through that main door. I'll find you on the other side.
Women only! You don't belong! That's close enough! Ходи! Работай давай!
Go ahead. Follow the man.
That's close enough!
What kind of dirty work?
Punishment.
Men on
For
the
fighting
work
back.
line! Women to the trucks!
This is where we split up. You'll need to comply to blend in.
In spite of my generosity and protection, there are forces in Kazakhstan who refuse to learn the lesson of safety and bring them peace and prosperity.
I'm through.
Go left, down the alley. See that soldier?
Yeah.
Approach him, slowly. Get his attention.
Abu, stój! You don't kill my friend. You show him mercy?
Take him.
No one is coming.
Alex, help her.
ديري بالك أخلك اكتي. You're resourceful. Good.
Let's go. I have contacts posted just ahead. They'll have more explosives for us. A bigger blast will pull more forces away from the Russian base. Shit. Barkov's soldiers have found my contacts. They may be dead already.
Can't go loud. Need a suppressor.
Find an oil filter. It will silence your weapon.
Барков нас предупреждал.
Check civilian cars. I'll keep watch on the guards.
С этими бабами надо держать ухо востро. Они все прячут лица.
Senseless attacks in the name of so-called freedom. These homegrown terrorists are the cancer in this great country. There can be insurgents continue to launch these homegrown terrorists are the cancer in this great insurgents continue to launch these homegrown insurgents continue to launch these homegrown terrorists.
Замечен враг 10 метров. Я их вижу, сукин сын.
There can be no order and no peace until those who side with savagery are permanently.
Выходите из укрытия.
That's one way to do it. Let's get moving.
There is no judge or jury here. There is only crime and punishment. One by one, we will eliminate these agitators from our streets and create a safe place to work and prosper under my wing.
Sorry about your contacts.
We have the explosives. Their sacrifice will not be in vain.
Use an oil filter to silence your weapon. It's our best chance.
Hide the gun. We're going back outside.
Follow me. I'll lead.
You defy General Barkov. You will be made an example of. What is it?
Please, she's just scared.
Stand down. I know what you mean. Do you understand why we do these things? They hang because they killed our soldiers. Now look at them.
Let's get moving.
We can live peacefully, but only if we help each other.
This is a goddamn war crime.
Who caused this pain?
Punishment
For all of us.
for the stolen gas.
Unite our
Barkov blames us
causes.
for stealing it.
Expose
What can we
these
do?
terrorists, and you will be
Accomplish our mission and put an end to Barkov's cruelty forever. Through here, up the ladder. Barkov is sending in helicopters. We take them out. Forces from the base will come running.
Giving us a window to attack.
Set explosives on the helicopter. I'll cover you. Guards get in your way. Take them out. Quietly. Meet back here when you're through.
This revolt brings war to the peace-loving citizens of Urzikstan.
Guards on the entry.
If you engage, try not to be seen.
These freedom fighters and their collaborators threaten the safety and security of those who follow the rules. Today, they will be punished. Those who believe that my forces will be defeated by these terror tactics and secret plans have made a grave miscalculation. I will never, ever be pushed out of this land by an army of thieves and terrorists. We will root out these interventionists and hold this territory forever. There will be no victory for our enemies, only death. Russia is here to defend your lives, your liberty, your independence. My reserves of manpower are inexhaustible. I will not be defeated by citizen soldiers. Urzikstan is in me.
Guards on the entry.
If you engage, try not to be seen.
Workers over there.
Two down.
Alex, are you on the roof near the helicopter? Nice.
Still looking for a way up.
Enemies are your friends and family. These conspirators among us are carrying out unspeakable acts against our world. With the blessing and support of the United States and their partners in the UK.
I'm at the target.
You know what to do.
Will be sentenced to death. Today, the people of Urzikstan are far better off under my command.
That's close enough.
Alex, set your explosives.
But it must earn privilege through loyalty and obedience.
You know what to do.
Charge set. This'll make one hell of a distraction.
That's the plan. Now get to the other helicopter.
I'm General Roman Barkov, your superior and commander of these territories. In spite of my generosity and protection, there are forces of Pakistan who refuse to learn the lessons of safety and bring them
There's a guard.
peace
Top of the
and
stairs, left side.
Your eyes on the crowd. Insurgents
now move up.
to launch senseless attacks in the name of so-called
covered.
You got cat-like reflexes.
I'm more of a dog person.
Until those who side with these savages are permanently
Charges set.
Regroup on my position.
I am a fair captain, and a man of swift justice. There is no judge. There is only crime and punishment.
Work your way back here, Alex.
We will eliminate these agitators from our streets and create a safe place to work and
Alex,
prosper
over here.
under my word. This revolt brings
We're clear. It's time.
the peace-loving citizens of Urzikstan.
Blow it.
Fire in the hole.
Fucking beautiful, Alex. Well done. Now this way.
Wait. Take the left. Hold your fire. Look, it worked. Troops from the base are rushing into the fence. Okay, the trucks are undefended. We'll take them out next. Come, under the truck. More are coming. Follow close.
Противник на дороге! Противник!
Okay, under the trucks are undefended. We'll take them out next. More are coming. Follow close. A parting gift for when they return.
How generous of you.
A shame to miss the show, but we have to get on with our attacks before it's too late. The next street will lead us back to the tunnels under Tarek's.
Shit!
What the hell is this?
Alex, get down. Hide your gun. There's too many.
Don't move. Keep your head still. Hold. Now, move up.
Ну, вонь. Чего, выжигаем это место? Может, хоть в этот раз до них дойдет. Должно быть Карим.
I'm set. Shoot the left. Good work. To the tunnel, quickly. More may be coming. Look! Reinforcements from the airbase. Our plan is working. Stop. Shit. Tarek's door is open.
Where's Tarek?
Dead. He would never abandon his post. Let's go. Clear. Let's head down. Get to Hadir.
You lost good people today.
That is the cost of this war. Now let's take Barkov's airbase, so their deaths are not in vain.
We're in for a hell of a fight.
So are they. Hadir has a plan.
You are in my house now, Alex. I set up on the edge of Barkov's base. Keep those fucking dogs in check. Friends close. Enemies closer. I told you we have our ways. No grenades, so we improvise.
Not bad.
You think we fight this war with sticks and stones?